Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful card for my nephew's first birthday. Since I'm pretty new in watercoloring, I decided it's best to follow the tutorial of someone that's more experienced than I am. So I followed the Shada Campbell's tutorial. I'm going to link it down below. Using a pencil, I'm outlining the bear just a little bit because this way is going to be easier for me once I go in with the watercolors. It doesn't have to be a perfect drawing, and also you shouldn't use too much force because at the end we're going to just erase it and only leave like a shadow behind. I'm using watercolors from Crelando, Lidl's brand, and I must say I'm really enjoying them. I think they're a good buy for a beginner. Using a black fine liner, I'm going to add some more details. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave the eyes like this as you saw in the beginning of this video. They were just a first try, let's say, and then I realized that they're a bit too creepy for me. And since this is a card for my nephew's first birthday, I decided to add a little pin on the bear that says I love Lando. Since my nephew is named Lando, as you might have guessed. I wasn't very happy with how the bear turned out, so I decided that I'm going to try some metallic watercolor to maybe salvage the situation. And honestly, yeah, indeed it looks better. Thankfully, Lando is only 1 year old, so he's not that big of a critic just yet. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!